witness earth-shattering machines that turn forests into battlegrounds. Unstoppable beasts tearing through timber. Jaw-dropping power that defies nature itself. This is where raw engineering meets wild adrenaline. Stay tuned. This is not your average day in the woods. This is extreme, where chainsaws roar like dragons, excavators rip stumps like they're paper, and machines thrive in chaos. If you think heavy machinery is just big metal, think again. These are monsters redefining what's possible, from colossal cedars reduced to sawdust in seconds to unstoppable shredders turning entire forests into firewood. Buckle up. You're about to see power unleashed. And hey, if this gets your adrenaline pumping, smash that subscribe button, because what you're witnessing, it's just the beginning. The Chainsaw Symphony. Meet the lumberjack's ultimate weapon. This isn't just a chainsaw, it's a sculptor. Watch as it carves through 100-year-old cedar like butter. Every cut, surgical, every rev, thunder. This is where brute force meets ballet. But even giants fall. One wrong move and chaos erupts. See that chainsaw stuck mid-tree? A split-second mistake turns precision into pandemonium. A reminder, respect the blade or pay the price. Stump Shredder Supreme. Stumps don't stand a chance. Enter the stump box, a machine so vicious it pulverizes roots into dust. Watch its blades chew through the earth, leaving nothing but a crater. This isn't removal, it's annihilation. And when dead trees lurk underground, waiting to strike, this excavator doesn't flinch. It roars. Hydraulic arms rip stumps like they're weeds. No mercy, no survivors, just raw, unapologetic domination. The Skidder, mud's worst nightmare. Meet the KT-81 Turbo Skidder, the beast that laughs at mud. Watch its massive tires grip sludge like concrete. This machine doesn't drive, it conquers. Hauling logs, child's play, crushing slopes, a warm-up. But the real star? The John Deere 244G, with a 360-degree cockpit and hydraulic arms strong enough to lift redwoods. This isn't just machinery, it's art. Precision meets power as it glides over jagged terrain, turning impossible into another Tuesday. The Shredder Apocalypse. Say hello to the M&J 4000 Shredder, nature's worst nightmare. Its jaws snap branches like toothpicks. Debris reduced to confetti. This isn't recycling, it's a reckoning. And the Morbark 1300B? With a 31-inch blade and a Caterpillar C32 engine, it doesn't grind, it vaporizes. Wood waste stands no chance. Efficiency redefined. Power unleashed. This is how forests get erased. Firewood factory. Speed demons. Firewood? More like fire speed. Watch this wood splitter turn oak logs into kindling faster than you can blink. Razor-sharp blades, hydraulic force. It's a symphony of destruction. And this DIY marvel? An old machine reborn as a log-splitting beast. Slicing through timber like butter, it's proof that ingenuity beats brute strength. Could you build this? Drop a comment. We want your wildest DIY ideas. Military versus Mother Nature. A gigantic military truck, weighing as much as 3 elephants, faces off against a grumpy old tree stump that refuses to move. The M923 truck revs its engine, its giant tires digging into the ground like claws. Who's gonna win? This hunk of metal or Mother Nature's stubborn roots? The truck doesn't just win, it destroys. Watch this beast plow through snowy hills like they're speed bumps, drag logs uphill like they're toys, and flex power so insane even the forest goes, dang, respect. This isn't your grandpa's pickup. It's a monster on wheels. Think Hulk meets Transformers. And those netted tires? They grip mud, rocks, and chaos like they're glued to the earth. When it yanks that stump out, roots snapping like stale breadsticks, you realize this isn't a truck. It's a titan that laughs at impossible. Seriously, if trucks had superhero names, this one would be the Unstoppable. Whether it's crushing terrain or dragging logs twice its size, it's proof that sometimes humans do outmuscle nature. The Sawmill Revolution. The Gather Sage GSR 280 fram saw doesn't cut, it devours. Razor-sharp efficiency, 4-meter logs handled with ease. Waste? Barely a splinter. This is how giants become furniture. And that fresh pine scent? It's the smell of victory. A fallen giant, once a storm-battered warrior, now reborn as premium lumber. Nature's legacy? Preserved. Perfected. Respected. Human versus nature. Disaster looms. A tree sways dangerously, threatening a home. Human grit versus nature's wrath. Can sheer willpower save the day, or will chaos win? Machines triumph. Watch as hydraulic claws secure the trunk, guiding it safely to the ground. No lives lost, no homes crushed, just pure, calculated control. If this didn't make your heart race, check your pulse. These machines aren't just tools, they're legends. And guess what? This is just a taste. Want more earth-shaking power? More jaw-dropping engineering? Hit subscribe and tap the bell, because where we're going next, the stakes are higher, the machines are meaner, and the chaos, oh, it's just getting started. Drop a comment. Which machine made you say, I need that? Let's blow up the replies. Until next time, stay hungry, stay unstoppable.